Good morning, everybody. We got Monday. It's like 7:30 in the morning. It's only 82 degrees. It's a little bit of a rainy. The rain just stopped. It was really beautiful. With the rain coming out this morning. Kind of nice sound on the roof. Yes. Just getting up and going here. Like I said, we slept in a little bit because of the rain. But thought I'd walk down to the beach real quick and check it out down here. Today I think we're going to go over to a place called Danao Lake. It's a freshwater lake here right in the middle of the island. And they've got some things there. They've got a zip line, which I won't be doing, as people who watch the channel know. But they have a zip line. They have, some like hiking trails along the lake. They've got, you can rent boats, little paddle boats and stuff like that. So we're going to be heading over there. A buddy of mine, Scott, I believe he's coming in. Yeah, he's on his way right now from Cebu. He caught a ferry and he'll be joining us. So we'll be heading over there. Really beautiful scene over there. I'm excited to check it out and film it, but let's see what we got down here this morning. We've got, pretty sure it's a high tide in the mornings now. It gets a little bit later every day, but we've got high tide right now. Wow, the water's right up here, and the sun's not quite over here yet, so it's not really lighting up the water like it does later on in the day, but still really, really beautiful. Yeah, it'd be nice. I'll come back down in a couple hours and show you guys after breakfast. We'll come down and shoot this again, because when the sun hits this water, man, unbelievable. All right, we'll be back in a little bit. We'll go get Joe. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, my bulldog.
We are at the local coffee shop here, enjoying our 3-in-1 and our, what is that called?
Bibingka.
Bibingka?
Yeah.
This is really, tell me about it. What is it?
It's like a rice cake, type of rice cake.
Rice cake?
Yeah, a type of rice cake. There's a lot of type of rice cake.
Yeah, I've had puto before. This is first time I've had this or seen this served in like a banana bread or a banana leaf.
Yeah,
but it's like a confused because like a bread, but it's really good.
It's sweet.
Yeah, sweet. Yeah. All right, guys.
It's just nearby the port.
Yeah.
There are stores along the way.
Yeah.
A few blocks away from the port.
Mm-hmm.
You can have your coffee, snacks, food,
Yeah.
drinks.
A little bit of a rainy morning, you can see.
You also have transportation from the port.
Yeah.
Tricycle,
Right.
multi-cab, and scooters.
Yeah. All right, guys. We're going to eat this really quick, but thought I'd show you the morning coffee shop here. Ampin. All right, guys. We just had our breakfast. We're heading back down to the beach. I got Joe here. Say hi, Joe. Yes. We are heading back down to the beach. We just had our breakfast. Really let me. Shout out to David and Juvie. Shout out to David and Juvie. It's great breakfast. Great. I love this place. Really love. What do you think, Joe? Do you like this place?
Yeah, I love this place, and the breakfast is amazing. And the watermelon in the middle is
So good. Really cool. Really cool. But the sun is up. It's a little bit in it. So we are going to go check out the water because the tide is up too. So
the tide is high and I'm holding on. I'm gonna be your number one.
So that's one of the things about swimming here is, in a lot of places you'll see, which is kind of unique, is it's really good to, you want to pop open that door, babe? Yeah. It's really good to swim at the higher tides, and you'll see that kind of a lot of places, really, that it's, thank you, that your best swimming is during the higher tides, just like here. So, but look at that water. Phew.
Yes, we're here in the right time.
Yes. It's time to swim. We're gonna go for a swim. We'll be back in just a minute. Oh. What does this say here? All right, everybody. We're on our way to Lake Danao, I believe it's called. We will put it up on the map. Hello! We'll put it up on the map, show where we're going, but look at this entryway here. It's just gorgeous, right, Joe? Yeah. Just absolutely beautiful. But we're riding in here. So what we got up here, we actually scouted this place out. Somebody was telling us about it as a place to go. They've got it's a big lake. They got a zip line up here. They've got a really nice hiking trail, and it's in a resort too. So I believe there are places to stay up here, although it looks like it's under construction. Look at this road. I mean, this is kind of what you have when you're either cycling, as the gentleman up in front of us is doing, or motorcycling just around these islands. And really, really beautiful scene here. But yeah, so we got the lake up here. I think we've got a paddle boat that we can, or a pedal boat that we're gonna rent out. And they've got some restaurants up here and picnic tables and a couple of, little eateries. So really beautiful space up here on one of the things to check out and do if you're on Camotes Island. And you can see the roads here. The roads here are really well done. David, the gentleman over at DJ's Resort, he was telling me that local leadership here has really done a lot to make sure that all the roads are paved. So there is a big initiative to get the roads, and you can see it as you're traveling around. Even 3 months ago when I was out here, some of the roads that they weren't paved are now fully paved. So this, which really makes it great for just riding around the whole island. And I've done a lot of the riding throughout the island, and we're going to show you a lot of footage of it because it's really incredible riding. Yeah, look at this entry here. Beautiful setting, beautiful road. Yeah, love it here. So what you do is you got a little bit of a fee. I think we'll put the prices and fees up here, but you got parking here, and then you have access to the park. So, all right, that's it. More to come. What's up, everybody? It's Joe and I. We're back. We're deep in the jungle. Yeah. We're deep in the forest.
Jane and Tarzan.
Yes. Oh. No, but seriously, this is really beautiful back here. Look at the scene here. Just rainforest all around us.
Yeah, and the weather is matching the vibe here.
Right.
Gloomy.
It is a little bit cloudy, but the sun's kind of coming through now.
Yes.
But really beautiful scene here. I like this little trail here. Let's walk, see where we can go. Wow. This isn't a mango tree, is it, Joe?
No, that is not.
Okay. The bark looked like it. I thought I recognized it, but I guess not.
Yeah, no.
A nice hike though, right?
Yeah, nice hike with flip-flops on.
Yeah. Not bad.
And a beach outfit.
Swimsuit and flip-flops.
Yes.
Yeah, really cool though. Just gorgeous. Oh.
Yes. Oh. So the tide is high right now.
Yes. Yeah, the water comes right up.
Which is really nice out there.
Yeah, check out this view out here, guys. Really beautiful view.
Yeah.
It's gorgeous. Oh. Got critters biting me. You too?
I don't know. I only see most black ants, but they're harmless.
Yeah.
Until you
Yeah.
terrorize them.
That is one of the nice things, honestly, that it's there for me. Hiking around the Philippines is just there's the lack of wildlife that is really dangerous, compared to Colorado, where, I mean, people hardly ever got attacked by mountain lions and bears. I mean, it's very unlikely to happen, but it does and happens. Mostly younger kids are, a threat for, or in danger for mountain lions. But, here there's really nothing.
Yeah, there's only insects.
Yeah, I mean, I think the biting insects are the biggest problem, but they're really not life-threatening. I mean, they can be, right, with, what do you call it, dengue fever, but...
Yeah. There could be snakes, but
yeah,
that's,
right, snakes and spiders, but even then it's...
Yeah, rarely happens.
It's not like you're going to get eaten by a spider or eaten by a snake. So, it's really beautiful. Yeah, really cool scene here. I like it. I like this place a lot. Hopefully that drone footage turns out. You can get a good aerial view of where we're at.
So, yeah, before we went to the depth forest, we passed by through here in a mangrove trail. This is a mangroves trail.
Yeah, beautiful, right?
Yeah.
You like hiking, don't you, Joe?
Yeah, I like hiking, as long as I know I'm gonna be alive after that hike. I don't wanna go. Like we went to, like it's so deep and I don't know the place, so it kind of scares me a bit.
You get a little bit spooked when you're being out in the woods? Yeah,
and
I understand.
It's been a long time since I actually had that kind of hike, because we had that kind of hike back before when we were kids.
Okay.
Childhood, so... And I have been watching a lot of movies, so it scares me.
Yeah. Oh,
Unlike before, when you were a kid, you're innocent and all that, right?
Right.
So you're not scared of anything.
Yes.
But since you already seen a lot,
oh, it's funny.
scares me.
Yep. Whew. It's definitely in it. I could go for a swim right now, that's for sure. All right, guys, we're almost at the end of the trail up here. But just a really beautiful scene here. Thought we'd just shoot a quick video walking around. So
a lot of nice, unique tree formations.
Yeah, I agree. Yep.
And big tree, look at that.
Yeah, really beautiful tree right there.
Yeah.
Going out towards the water.
Yeah.
Yeah, the trees along the shore here they're really unique.
Yeah, unique.
All right, we'll be back in a little bit, guys. Thank you. Here we are, guys. We are tooling around the lake in our pedal boat. Check it out.
On our pedal boat that's going nowhere.
Just around in circles. We can only make right turns. But it's a beautiful time out here.
Yeah, there's our friend Scott enjoying the single ride on his bicycle.
Cool, huh?
Yeah. We are here in Lake Danao. They also have a zip line going across the lake.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A zip line going out the lake, huh?
Yeah. It's really nice.
Yeah, it looks like fun too.
Yeah, a lot of boat rides around here. And this is a really big lake.
Shoot.
Oh, careful.
My foot came off. Yeah, really fun. Just beautiful though. Look at the scene.
Yes.
All right, guys. We'll be back.